Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in Photoshop. Today we want to learn how to create a shape mask. For example, here we have a picture and now I want to create a mask from a shape on it. So here's the frame, I want to put a picture on it and here's our picture. So I'm just firstly create a shape, for example a rectangle tool, and now just create the borders of the mask. So maybe it's okay. Now we have our shape here, so let me make it black one, it's not so important. And now let me unhide my picture. And so the secret is here, just hold the control on your keyboard, selecting the picture, and now click and drag your shape to the picture. So here's done, but you need to hide the shape. So the upper layer, which is a rectangle, I want to just hide it. And now you can see that your picture has been masked by a shape. And now there are more information to tell you. Just click on this layer here. You can see more properties show up here. So you can change the density and feather to create a more realistic mask. So I'm just increasing the feather a little bit. Okay, I believe it's enough. And now you can change your picture position to reach the best result. Okay, I believe it's good for here. And now here's the result. You can do it with every shape you have. For example, a circle, an oval, a rectangle, or whatever you have. Or also you can have your own shape. So it was the easiest way to do this. Hope you like it and you find it useful. This tutorial is also over. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And we have lots of more tricks and tutorials in this channel. Don't miss them. See you in the next video.